In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use Microsoft Copilot in Excel in 2020. 25. Copilot brings powerful AI right into your spreadsheet so you can ask questions in plain English, generate formulas, build charts, and surface insights without hunting through menus or writing complex expressions. To get started smoothly, there are a few essentials to put in place. First, make sure your account has a Microsoft 365 Copilot license and that you're signed in to Excel with that account. If Copilot doesn't appear later on, licensing is the most common reason, so confirming this upfront saves time. Next, save the workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint. Copilot works with cloud files so it can securely access your data and context. If your file is local, just choose File, Save As, and pick your OneDrive or a SharePoint library. After it's saved, give Excel a moment to sync before opening Copilot. Now prepare your data by formatting it as an Excel table. Select your data range, then choose Format as Table on the Home tab, or press Ctrl+T. If your first row has column names, check the option for headers. Tables help Copilot understand the structure of your data, what the columns represent, and where the data begins and ends, so it can generate accurate formulas, summaries, and charts. Clean descriptive headers like month, region, or total sales make a big difference. With those pieces ready, you'll find the Copilot icon on the Home tab. Clicking it opens a chat pane where you can type natural language prompts, such as summarize this table by quarter, create a bar chart of sales by product, or generate a formula that flags months where revenue is below target. In some contexts, you'll also see a small sparkle icon next to certain cells or selections. Click that to ask Copilot about the specific data you're working on. When Copilot proposes a formula, review the preview and the referenced cells before inserting. You can say things like, use a structured reference to the sales column, or round to 2 decimals to refine the result. For charts, ask for the type you want, clarify the series and categories, and request a title or legend if needed. For insights, try prompts like find outliers, identify trends over the last 6 months, or suggest a pivot to compare regions. If Copilot seems off, double-check that the file is saved to OneDrive or SharePoint and that your data is formatted as a table with clear headers. With that, you're ready to use Copilot to work faster, reduce errors, and turn data into decisions.